I am sure you already know how critical and important government is to you as a JAMB candidate who is majoring in arts. If you are an arts student, you are going to write this JAMB. You already know that you cannot get this admission without performing very well in your government JAMB exam. JAMB government is so important. It's a subject that if you study well, that is why I'm making out time to create this video, right? If you study well, it's not calculation based, right? If you study well, government is a subject that you can garner up your points from. You can get a lot of points from in government. So in this video, this is part 1 of the series of videos we will start doing on government, looking at expected questions, JAMB expected questions, Expo questions, practice questions, past questions, and the answers. Do you get me? So I want you to, as you begin to watch this video, please, if anything is distracting you, cut yourself away from that thing. Let us focus. Are you with me? Now let's go. Number 1. In the Second Republic, the ruling National Party of Nigeria allied with the Dash. In the Second Republic, the ruling National Party of Nigeria allied with the Dash. A. United Party of Nigeria. B. Nigeria Political Party. C. Great Nigeria People's Party. D. Nigeria Advance Party. The answer is NPP, Nigeria People's Party. In the Second Republic, the ruling National Party of Nigeria, NPN. I'm sure as a government student, this thing should not be strange to you. Now, I want you to go over to your government textbook and read up everything about the First Republic and the Second Republic. Everything about what? The First Republic and the Second Republic. I already know why and what will happen. That is why I'm pointing out, reading up First and Second Republic. Number 2, I hope you are still following. The relationship between the tiers of government in Nigeria can be described as one of that. Remember, we are running a federal government system in Nigeria, democracy. The relationship between the tiers of government in Nigeria can be described as one of that. A. Independent and coexistence. B. Coordinate and independent jurisdiction. C. Voluntary subordination. D. Superior subordinate coexistence. The answer is coordinate and independent jurisdiction. They coordinate their affairs. The judiciary. Okay. The relationship between the 3 tiers of government. Now, assignment number 1 for you is come and tell me in the comment section, mention the 3 tiers of government we have in Nigeria and tell me where the police belongs. Where does the police belong? Mention 3 of them. There are about 3. Mention them and tell me where the police force belongs among 3 of them. So the relationship between these 3 arms of government, 3 tiers. Okay, arms of government is different from tiers of government, right? The relationship between the tiers of government in Nigeria can be described as one of coordinate and independent jurisdiction. I also want you to go and make a research and come and tell me difference between tiers of government and arms of government. Tiers of government and arms of government, they are not the same. If you watch this video from here to the end, I'm going to give you a gift. That gift will be, I'll give you free JAMB past questions on government, free JAMB syllabus on government, free JAMB past question on use of English and the other subjects you'll be writing. Past question, syllabus, so that you will not have an excuse. Our goal, like you might already know, in Noble Tutorials YouTube channel here, I make out time to give you videos every day. My goal is for you to score 300 and above. My goal, I want you to claim it in the comment section that you will gain admission this year. You will not be ashamed of your JAMB result. You will be one of those that will be proud to say, I am doing my matriculation this day. I scored this also 300 and above in my subject. You will not be ashamed. You will not fail. You will not get 130 in your JAMB. You will not get 170 in your JAMB, right? Over 2 million persons registered for JAMB. So the competition for admission is very, 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 very high. modern, unlike any other year. So I want you to study and study hard. In 1976, local government reforms in Nigeria transformed the relationship between the states and local government into one of dash. The 1976 local government reforms in Nigeria transformed the relationship between the states and local government into one of dash. A. Master and servant. B. Partnership and cooperation. C. Equality. D. Subordination. Of course, you already know they became partners and they cooperate. So the 1976 local government reform in Nigeria transformed the relationship between the state and the local government into partnerships, into one of partnership and cooperation. Both local government, they partner and they cooperate. It is not master and servant. Local government is not the state government is not a master of the local government. No. The local government is not equal to the state government. They are not subordinate, but they have to partner and cooperate with the state government. I hope you are following. Okay. Now, number 4. Government-owned companies operating in the economic sector are referred to as dash. Government-owned companies operating in the economic sector, that is businesses owned by the government, they are referred to as dash. A. Public utilities. B. Public enterprises. C. Public investments. D. Public services. They are actually referred to as public enterprises, not private businesses. They are referred to as public enterprises. Remember also that I've done a lot of videos on other subjects, including government. If you need me to give you access to all the videos I've done on use of English, let me know. If you need me to give you access to all the videos I've done on economics, let me know. I can give them to you free. I've also done a lot of videos, Expo questions, past questions, expected questions on the JAMB novel for this year. If you need me to give you access to all the 50 videos I've done on the JAMB novel, just indicate in the comment section. Remember, at the end of this video, you will get free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past question. The difference between commercialized and privatized companies is that in the former, A. Commercialized and privatized companies is that in the former, what do we mean by former? Commercialized is that in the former, A. Private ownership is dominant. B. Public ownership is dominant. C. Government subsidizes cost. D. Profit motive is recessive. The difference between commercialized and privatized companies is that in the former, private owner, when they mean former, they mean commercialized, the first one. Private ownership is dominant. B. Public ownership is dominant. C. Government subsidizes cost. D. Profit motive is recessive. The answer is public ownership is dominant in commercialized companies. Are you still with me? The body responsible for running the personal affairs of senior local government staff in Nigeria is the dash. Pay attention. The body responsible for running the personal affairs of senior local government staff in Nigeria is the dash. The body responsible for running the personal affairs of senior local government staff in Nigeria is the dash. A. Local Government Council. B. State Civil Service Commission. C. Senior Staff Commission. D. Local Government Service Commission. Now, see, I want you to go over to your textbook, study everything about local government. Pay attention. Then study everything about state government. Also study everything about the federal government. Read up everything you can about these three places. Then also read up everything you can about the judiciary, executive, and legislature. Read up everything. I mean, read it, eat it, that even if they wake you up, you'll be able to answer. Okay, the body responsible for running the personal affairs of senior local government staff in Nigeria is the dash. Local Government Council, State Civil Service Commission, Senior Staff Commission. The answer is Local Government Service Commission. Local Government Service Commission. They are in charge of what? They are responsible for running the personnel affairs of senior local government staff in Nigeria. Number 7. The immediate cause of the January 15, 1996 military coup in Nigeria was the dash. The immediate cause of the January 15, 1996 military coup in Nigeria was the dash. A. Kanu riots. B. TV riots. C. Election crisis in the western region. D. Crisis over the population census. The answer is simple. Election crisis in the western region. Election crisis in the western region snowballed into the January 15, 1996 military coup. I want you to also study all the coups. Okay? Assignment number 2. Come under the comment section and define a coup for me. C-O-U-P. Some people call it coup d'etat. Define it. What does it mean? Nigeria demonstrated her commitment to the policy of non-alignment during the regime of dash. Nigeria demonstrated her commitment to the policy of non-alignment during the regime of dash. A. Muhammadu Buhari, Oga Buhari. B. Johnson Aguiyi Ironsi. C. Murtala Mohammed. D. Ibrahim Babangida, who just wrote a book. Nigeria demonstrated her commitment to the policy of non-alignment during the regime of dash. A. Muhammadu Buhari. B. Johnson Aguiyi Ironsi. C. What is even policy of non-alignment? Go and find that out. Murtala Mohammed. D. Ibrahim Babangida. The answer is C. Murtala Mohammed. Nigeria demonstrated a commitment to policy of non-alignment during what? The regime of Murtala Mohammed. Now, there's a reason why I keep telling you to go and read up things. Of course, you could expect me to just tell you the answer. But I found out that when you study on your own, you will understand better. I will not be with you in the exam hall. I hope you know. I will not stand there with you. So I need you to, on your own, make some research, make some effort, right? Put in the work. Okay, this is very, very important. Remember, if you want me to give you free JAMB past question and free JAMB syllabus, just watch this particular video to the end and you'll get it. If the videos I've been making are helpful to you, if this video I'm making is helpful to you, if the other videos I've been making in our YouTube channel and other tutorials have been helpful to you, please let me know. Knowing that the videos I make, sometimes I feel I'm wasting my time, right? By making these videos. If the videos I make are helpful to you, please tell me in the comment section. Tell me how they are helping you. Tell me that you want me to do more videos. Also, if there are certain kind of videos or areas that will help you in this JAMB that I have not touched, let me know. Do you understand? Let me know. Tell me the area you want me to create more videos on, and I could consider creating them for you. Okay, let's proceed. Are you still with me? Nigeria's support for the South-South cooperation is based on her desire to dash. Nigeria's support for the South-South cooperation is based on her desire to dash. A. Promote economic understanding in the third world. B. Counter the political and military domination by major powers. C. Assert her leadership role in Africa. D. Promote her non-aligned policy. The answer is promote economic understanding in the third world. So go over and study South-South Commission, South-South Cooperation. The answer, Nigeria's support for the South-South Cooperation is based on her desire to, answer is A, promote economic understanding in the third world. Yeah, of course, you know, Nigeria is a third world nation. Most sub-Saharan African nations and Latin American, even Southern Asia, they are all third world nations. Okay. Nigeria's relation with black political communities outside Africa is built on dash. Nigeria's relation with black political communities outside Africa is built on dash. A. Economic consideration. B. Shared political aspiration. C. perceived cultural affinities. D, expectations of political support from them. Nigerian relation with black political communities outside Africa is built on A, economic consideration, B, shared political aspiration, C, perceived cultural affinities, D, expectation of political support from them. The answer is actually C, perceived cultural affinities. Even though, because they are blacks, black political movement, we share that sense of cultural affinity with them, even though they are outside, right? Let's proceed to question 11. In a democracy, sovereign authority is exercised by the dash. In a democracy, sovereign authority is exercised by the dash. A, people. B, executive. C, electorate. D, legislature. In a democracy, sovereign authority is defined. Who can define democracy for me? So you at the back, you that is watching this video, please come to the comment and give me the simplest definition of democracy. In a democracy, sovereign authority is exercised by the dash. A, people. B, executive. C, electorate. D, legislature. I won't give you the answer. I'm giving you number 11 as an assignment. When we come back in part B, we will continue from number 11. We will continue our revision and expo from number 11. But I want to, even before you watch, switch over to watch part 2. This is part 1. Remember to watch all the videos we did on government. Also watch all the videos we are doing on the other subjects. If you need me to give you free JAMB syllabus, free JAMB past question, what you just need to do is simple. Number one, just go over to our YouTube channel, find the option to join. Just 4 things. Number 1, join our YouTube channel. Joining our YouTube channel is compulsory. It's a must, right? Click on join, follow the prompts and join our YouTube channel immediately. Number 2, like this video, boop the like button. Number 3, share this video, click on share it here on YouTube, then copy the link. When you click on share it, the link on Telegram channels, on Facebook groups, on WhatsApp groups, share to your classmates, your friends, everybody writing JAMB. Share this video with them. Then finally subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Number 1, join our YouTube channel. Number 2, like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then when you have done these things, come under the comment of this video and type I have subscribed. Type for me, I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed and also submitted the assignment, I will chat you up and send you those materials. There's a video on the screen. Click on it and watch now.